A few days ago, over 100 Bitcoin ATMs in Europe officially started supporting Beam. You probably recognize these Bitcoin-shaped devices that pop up in the news and tweets sometimes. Now you can just walk up to one in your city and buy or sell Beam. If you happen to walk by during a discount, you could get an extra 1% free Beam. These machines belong to Shitcoins.club, the company known for improving our individual privacy via secure crypto transactions. The study conducted by Shitcoins.club confirms that there is an increasing demand for individual privacy and security. This is probably why so many people were interested in trading Beam at the ATMs. We can talk about privacy-oriented tech all day, but there is just nothing that beats simply walking up to a secure ATM on the way back from daily duties and then buying or selling Beam using banknotes at 0% fee. Easily. Sometimes with even extra 1% Beam for free.